Once upon a time, in the picturesque village of Sunnydale, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her bright smile and a heart full of kindness. In Sunnydale, everyone believed in the magic of kindness. It was said that kindness could bring joy and happiness to all. Every year, the town would hold a festival to celebrate acts of kindness. One sunny morning, as Lily walked to school, she noticed a little bird with a hurt wing under an apple tree. The bird chirped softly in distress. Without a second thought, Lily carefully picked up the bird and gently cradled it in her hands. She decided to take it to Mr. Oliver, the kind old man who lived at the edge of the village and knew how to care for animals. "Oh, Lily, what have you brought today?" asked Mr. Oliver with a twinkle in his eye. "I found this little bird under the apple tree. Can you help it?" Lily inquired with hope. Mr. Oliver nodded and took the bird inside his home. "Of course, young Lily, this little one will need rest and some apple seeds," he assured her. Together they made a cozy nest for the bird, and Mr. Oliver promised to look after it. Days turned into weeks, and Lily visited the bird every afternoon after school. She would bring seeds and sing soft lullabies to keep the bird company until finally, the bird's wing was healed. On the day the bird was ready to fly, Lily and Mr. Oliver carried it to the apple tree where it had first been found. With a hop and a flap, the bird soared high into the sky, singing a cheerful song of freedom. Lily clapped her hands in delight, her heart filled with joy. "Thank you, Lily," chirped the bird from above. All the trees seemed to rustle in agreement, as if echoing the bird's gratitude. Word of Lily's kindness spread throughout Sunnydale, and soon everyone in the village gathered to celebrate her thoughtful act at the festival. As the evening sun painted the sky with hues of pink and gold, Lily was given a small medal engraved with the words, "Kindness is magic." Lily realized something important that day. Acts of kindness may seem small, but they make a world of difference. The bird had not only flown away with a healed wing, but it had also flown into everyone's hearts, spreading the magic of kindness all across Sunnydale. From that day on, the tales of Lily and the little bird's journey were told to children, teaching them that through kindness, anyone can change the world and fill it with endless love and happiness. And so, the little bird and Lily continued to remind everyone that kindness, indeed, is magic.